Okay, so all you need to do now is just change the content on the web page. For example, this is your home page. I'm going to go here, all pages, and then I'm going to click on home page, landing page. It will show you that is your front page now. Click on edit. Unfortunately, the version of the Visual Composer that they use don't support front end. On the next website that I'll be creating, I'll show you how what is the front end. But this is really straightforward. For example, it says 100% responsive design, right? And this is from here, 100% responsive design. If I click here and then change the text, click on Save Changes and Update. Click here, update this, and then this is a test, and it's done. It's that quick. Okay. If you want to change, for example, you have the nectar slider, right? Click here, and this is where it shows like the text and everything else. Here you can select the slider. I will show you how to change this as well. So let's say, for example, I use home and save, update. Let's see how it goes. Wait, let me do it again. Okay, so this slider right here didn't change. The reason is maybe, let me try another one. So coding, update. Okay, you can see that now it changed it, right? I have this slider here working. And the reason that that one wasn't working is, for example, let's say that I want to edit the home one. Home, save, update. You can see here on top it says Nectar slider, right? Click here on Nectar slider. It will show you all the sliders that you have. This is most probably the home one. Let me see. Or is this one? What is the text that shows there? Wait. This is salient. Yeah, so this is the one. Okay, so click here, click on edit, and then once you click here, just choose image, background, or video. You can choose whatever you want. Remove or upload. You can upload media. So I just uploaded a media file. Just come here, click select file and upload. Then click on this and then select file. After that, just click on update. And then if I update these, now it should show. And there you go. This is an horrible image to put there. Now you're thinking, well, Carlos, I want to change the logo here. So all you need to do is come back to Salient. And here is every single option that you have to change your website. For example, typography, you have the header and navigation. If I remove these and upload a file, okay, so I just uploaded my company's logo. Then I'm going to do the same here, remove this one, upload, choose here, select, okay, click on save. Let's see, layout related, transparency, animation, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so we're all set. If I update this, you'll see that it shows now my logo from my company. Now you see that this is a landing page, right? It doesn't show much. It's just like a really straightforward landing page, meaning that doesn't have links, doesn't have nothing like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change to another one just for the fun of it, just to see what happens. So I'm going to use the basic one. Okay, save change, and then automatically it will change for another page. Okay, still doesn't have links. How you can put links, it's really straightforward. Just go to appearance, click here on menus, and create a menu. So it seems that they already have one created. Just remove every single one of these. Okay, so I'm going to create a new menu instead. Just click here, create new menu, then create menu. Just put the name, this will be your main menu. Then click on create menu. And then here you can add your page. For example, I'll add, click on, so I'll add, like, click on view all to start, and then click on home, add to the menu, click on blog, add to the menu, click on contact, add to the menu. Let's say that is something like every single page that you create, we show it here, but let's say that you want something from outside, right? A custom link. Just click here, custom link, add, for example, click on add menu, and there you go. Okay, so this is everything that you have. Click on save, and then click here, add to top navigation menu. Okay, click on save again, come here to manage locations, and then click on top navigation menu. It will show you here main menu. Okay, if you go back, click here, you'll show that now you have the menu. You're thinking, Carlos, it shows home/basic. Why is that? So the main reason for is just it's really simple to fix. Just click here, open, change this, and you're ready to go. Just click on save, and now it will change. Now you have a page with menus, right, that you can click and go from the different pages. Now, once again, everything that you have here, oh, of course, and if you click here, it will like send you to the URL that you put in this case, my company's website. Okay, so now you're thinking, Carlos, what I have to do next? So what you need to do really is just click here and then click on edit page, for example, if you want to edit the contact page, and then just go around and mess around with these stuff, right? You can just come here and edit, edit reach out. Here you can put like our address is xxxxxx, and then save changes, update, and then that's it. Oh, this is the old one. So that's it, right? All you need to do right from this point forward is really just change the content that is on the theme already. Okay? Let's say, Carlos, I want to create now a completely new page. Okay? So go to pages, click here, add new. And then let's call this page sample page. Click on page builder. Here you can change the name, for example, click on OK. I'm going to put like sample page 12, for example. Click on OK. And now the thing that I love about Salient is this right here. You can click here, for example, add template. And then here you can build an entire website on this page. For example, let's say you want to build a landing page for your services, right? First thing that you need to do is click on here, hero section, and you add the hero section. This is the hero section that I want to use. Next, I want to use let's say, for example, my theme. And then I click here, and it will add my theme, right? Next, I want to use for example, let's go on all. And then I want to have a about part, right? Or then I can just click here on about and then click here, like I want to talk about like what is the stuff that we have, okay? Or I want to show the services that we have. So I click here and it will add the services. At the end, oh sorry, click here again, And then I want to add my contact page at the end. So all I need to do is search for the, let me see, call to action, for example. Or I want to show my pricing. Let's put the pricing first. So I want to show my pricing. This is my pricing. And I'm just clicking around. You guys need to then add the theme that you guys find it's the most interesting, of course. And then I want to add a call to action for people to go and click on it to purchase the service, right? Clicking here. Okay, so let's say I want to my call to action send you to my contact page instead, for example. All I need to do is click here, and then here on the column link, I'm going to contact page, I'm going to select these, and I'm going to pass here, okay? Then save changes. And then here I can change the purchase area and just put, like, for example, contact, right? And then click on save changes. Then click on update. And if you click here on preview changes, it will show you this page as a preview, right? And here is the page that we just created, like really, really quick. So you have your hero area where you can put a video, you have your theme here, you have the service that you offer, and then you have like the packages, and then here you have like already in love, contact, and when person clicks on it, it will send them to your contact page. Now, again, it doesn't show here, right? To fix this, all you need to do is click on update, go again to appearance, then menus, and then go to your sample page. I believe it's this one, okay? And then click on add to menu, and it will add to your menu. Click on save menu, and then if you update this, there you go, sample page, and it will go to the sample page 12, that is this one right here. And once again, it's really straightforward. If you need to change anything, you just need to click and change. For example, edit this page. If I want to change these guys, for example, team members, I can just click here. For example, there is a photo that I downloaded earlier that I can upload. That is from this random guy right here. I don't know who he is. So update, set image. You can change the name, then click on save changes. Once again, click on update, and then here it will show the change that you just did, okay? So that's it. That is really, really straightforward on how to create a WordPress page. Now, if you guys click on blog, you'll see that you don't have any blogs yet, right? Why is that? So if you click on post right here, it will show that they have like blogs that are pre-made here. So all you need to do to fix this is click on edit this page on blog, and then click on, once again, page builder, click on add template, for example, and go to blog and choose one that you want to use. For this one, I want to use this one right here, okay? And then click on update. Then preview changes. And there you go. You have all your blog posts here. Now, let's say that you want to create a new one, right? All you need to do is come to posts, click here on add new. I'll put here a WordPress course. Write something. Here on the side, you can choose what is the categories that you want to put these blog posts on. Let's say I want to put it on dining and fashion, everything related. You can put tags to help people search for it. For example, uh, WordPress course will be the tag that I want. When people search, we'll show this. Then page header image, you can click here and add a page header image, and also click on set featured image, click here and add the exactly same image, and then click on publish. Now if you go to our blog page, there you go, you have your blog post with the image, and people click on it with the tags. When people click on it, it will show the image, and then we'll show everything else related to this. Now, everything that you see here on the side is just basically stuff that is related to, for example, WordPress posts, right? These ones right here. If you want to get rid of these, you just come to, once again, posts, all posts, then click on everything that you don't need. Less this one, bulk action, move to trash, apply. And if you update here now, it should only show your recent one, okay? And then the archive, and then the category that this one is in, and everything else, okay? And then here you have like the comment section of this part right here. Now, to edit these links right here, it's on Salient. If you go down here and you go to social media, you can put every single URL that you need to put here, and then you can turn this on and off as well. Just play around with this session. This session is really important, so just play around here. See everything that you can do. For example, footer area, you have like zero colons, like main footer area, you can put like off, for example, and then like if I save the changes, what this will change, you'll see, will be this area right here. That is the main footer area. As you can see, it's gone now. Okay, so just play around with this area right here, and then that's basically it. That is basically everything that you need to do on WordPress. I know this was a little bit fast, but I didn't want to take like a lot of your time. But I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to install a different theme for you guys, because it's a completely different process. And after that, I'll show you like the difference on installing a different theme, and will also show you what WooCommerce is.